Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now I know it's been a while, but I've been a little bit busy. So in this video we're going to discuss how to get started on OnlyFans in 2022, as well as the best way to set yourself up for success from the get-go. So to give myself a little bit of credibility, I'm just going to introduce myself. My name is Ethan Bayliss and I run an OnlyFans growth agency based in the UK, and I've been running this for a while, so I've been in the trenches, and I know exactly how to get started on OnlyFans on the right foot, and I'm going to give you a little video on how exactly I'll get started on OnlyFans. I'm not saying I am, but if I was to go and do so, this is exactly how I'll do it. I hope this is some value to you guys. And I've got a quick little announcement as well. If you go down to the description, you'll see a brand new Facebook group where we have a PDF cheat sheet on how to grow your OnlyFans available. So if you join the Facebook group, you'll get sent by email an OnlyFans growth cheat sheet. So after watching this video, not only will you be able to start your OnlyFans account, but then you'll also have the relevant information to start growing it. I hope this is of value to you guys, and enjoy the video. Okay guys, so we're now on the presentation where I'm going to be walking you guys through on how to get started on OnlyFans. So we are going to cover in this video what is OnlyFans, what you need to know, advice from experts, your mindset, and your game plan to get started. So we've got a lot of juicy content in this one, so make sure to stick around for all of it. Now, let's cover what is OnlyFans. So OnlyFans is a new subscription-based platform that allows you to keep an audience of sugar daddies in one central location. And OnlyFans allows creators to upload explicit content behind the privacy of a paywall. Now, OnlyFans is a great opportunity for modern women, allowing them to control the distribution of their content while making a lucrative income. So what you need to know: OnlyFans is a great way to make money, but it's not as lucrative as it once was. Now, due to recent scandals within the industry, and I'm sure if you've been in the industry for a while like myself, you know what these are. I'm not going to mention them, but content creators aren't able to make as much money as they used to. And this doesn't mean that you can't make upwards of 20,000 plus per month with relative ease, but it just means that you're going to need to apply more force than you would have needed to in the past. But with that being said, that means that now is the best time to get started. And it just goes to show that, you know, the industry is getting bigger and bigger and bigger. There's more people signing up for the platform, which means that there's going to be more saturation inevitably. So it's the best time to get started now, while it's still easy to grow your OnlyFans, because in a couple of months or a couple of years, it's going to be a lot harder to even get started. So you're best to start as soon as possible and build that fan base up. Okay, so let's have a look at some advice from experts. Now, I do run an OnlyFans agency, and of course we work with some of the leading experts within the industry. So we're going to go for some quotes here. So every expert will tell you the same thing: it's all about attention. Now, don't underestimate the simplicity of this statement, as when you boil all the OnlyFans tactics that you're going to hear, the core underlying principle in every single tactic is attracting attention. So whatever you do to grow your OnlyFans, just get creative in how you can capture attention online and direct it towards your account. Now, you need to remember the reason your OnlyFans account isn't where you want it to be is purely because you've got a lack of attention on your account. Now, attention is really, really vital in this industry, as you know, the creators out there who want to be right now, or in the position that they are, you know, they got there through having more attention. You need to look at what strategies they're using to get their attention, whether it's a large audience on Instagram, whether they have a large audience on YouTube or TikTok. They got something that you don't, which has allowed them to scale their OnlyFans up to that stage. So it's really important to focus on what is currently working, which, you know, PS is TikTok at the moment. TikTok is a great opportunity, but you need to focus on what is working and double down on it to make sure that you can build it into an attention machine for your business. Now, let's have a look at your mindset. So when starting your OnlyFans account, make sure to keep on top of your mindset every day. Now, the reason I say this is because OnlyFans isn't easy, and it's hard to not take it personally when it becomes slow at points. I work as a I run an OnlyFans agency, and the models do find it hard when there are some slow days, and they tend to take it personally. So you need to make sure that you keep on top of your mindset, and you need to remember that it is a business, and you're going to have to play the long-term game if you really want to get some value out of having OnlyFans, because it is inevitable. You are going to have some slow days where you're not making as much money as previous days, but you can't take these dips personally. You have to keep on powering through, and eventually you'll get to the stage where you want it to be at. So that leads me to this last little part, which is your game plan to get started. So here is a little quick game plan to get you started on the right foot. So first, you're going to want to go to onlyfans.com and create an account. You'll have to sign up, and you have to give them some photo ID. This is just to ensure that you're not underage, but the approval process normally takes about 1 day. Then after that, you're going to want to make sure to pick a niche. Now, essentially a niche is just a fetish or a turn on. So you're going to want to have a look at what niche that you think you'd be a good fit for, whether that's being an e-girl. You know, there's a bunch of niches out there. Get creative, and then just make sure that you create socials on every social media targeting your niche. You need to build an online persona around this niche, and it's going to be a lot easier when you get started to attract an audience. As I see time and time again, people just don't really have a niche, and they just start their OnlyFans and they're wondering why they're not getting subscribers. It's because there's so much competition out there that you really just can't compete based on looks and personality. You have to take it another level and really niche down in your type of content. And then finally, you want to mass produce content on every social media platform. So you just want to select a few social medias that are working right now. That could be Instagram, TikTok, Reddit, and then you want to just go really hard on these social medias and producing content every day, and eventually you'll build an audience and it'll snowball into subscribers. And this is essentially a quick little game plan to get you started. Don't overcomplicate it. I know you may be in an analysis paralysis, but just really just get started, start producing content, make sure you promote it right, and then just let it snowball into a cash flow machine essentially. So that is really it. So I want to thank you guys for watching. If you did get some value from it, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.